is for alligator cooking stew. He flips pancakes and says, how do you do? B is for bear with a ballerina bow. She twirls and spins, putting on a show. C is for cat with the big chef's hat. She's baking cookies, imagine that. D is for dog who's driving fast. On the alphabet train, he's never last. E is for elephant playing the flute, swaying side to side in his purple suit. A to Z, come right with me, sing out loud, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and shout hooray, the alphabet train is on its way. Choo choo. F is for fox, flying a kite. It dances in the sky, such a silly sight. G is a giraffe in glasses too, reading books while enjoying the view. H is for hippo with the hula hoop, spinning round and jumping in a loop. I is an iguana painting ice cream, swirls of colors, what a dream. J is for jaguar juggling pies. Oops, one just flew up to the skies. Let's say the letters big and bold. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yay for the alphabet train today. K is the kangaroo bouncing with mail, delivering letters on the alphabet trail. L is for lion with a strumming guitar, roaring and rocking like a superstar. M is for monkey swinging around, he tells silly jokes and jumps to the sound. N is for narwhal under the sea, she sings her ABC so joyfully. O is an owl with books in her lap, wearing round glasses and a thinking cap. P is for penguin who's skating so fast, sliding on ice, whoosh, what a blast. Q is a queen with the royal crown, waving to kids as the train rolls down. R is a rabbit with speedy red shoes, running in circles and dancing the blues. S is for snake with the magic hat, he makes the letters jump out just like that. T is for turtle who's moving slow, but he always smiles wherever he goes. U is for unicorn flying so high, painting rainbows across the sky. V is a vulture who likes to glide, zooming above the countryside. W is a whale who sprays with the laugh, water letters splish, splash, splash, splash. X plays xylophone in the band, with notes that sparkle and instruments grand. Y is for yak with the woolly coat, skiing down slopes in a snowy float. Z is a zebra who spins the tracks, DJs beats with alphabet claps. A to Z, we learned them all, big and small, we had a ball. So wave goodbye and shout hooray, the alphabet train rolls on its way. Choo choo.